Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are. Here is in Kenya, it's a morning. Yeah, I invite you all to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming and watching my channel. Yeah, I'm here. I'm starting my content in Migori town because my motorcycle got a puncture. They're going. The phone mechanic is trying to make it for me to continue with my journey. I'm going through my village. Yeah, as I was coming from the house, I was going to buy something from home, from the market. I found that I have some puncture, my slow fire puncture in my car. So I've just, in my motorcycle, I've just come to make it for me I was supposed to have a pump, some hair in it, pressure, but I'll just tell the person to check it whether it's us a slow puncture. Yeah, I'm starting my content in Migori town. That's Kenya Women, one of the banks, and that's our roundabout. Let me stand here to see the roundabout. Is it? Are you able to see it? Yeah, I think you can see it, but it's some distance away it, uh, from where I am. I'm in the poster ground in Migori. Again, I'm seeing some students are moving. They're going for their half term. Some days back is when they open. The time is moving very fast. They are going for their half term. Yeah, the students are all over. They are going for their half term. Here in Kenya, we have two terms: the first term, second term, and third term. So in the middle of the term, we have something called a half term, where people go at home to. The majorly of half term is for going and collecting fee. There's nothing much in half term. It's just something like 4 days where students are sent home to collect their fee while they just have a bit break for them to gi- gain the momentum, the energy to continue with their daily studies. Yeah, this place is called Poster Ground. I'm seeing there is a car here called Migori Poster Funeral Services. They offer funeral services like taking the body to the residential place where it will be buried. So I've not been paid to I've not been paid to tell you much about this car or to advertise it, but I'm just here. It's just next to me, so I've just decided to give them shout out. Yeah, Migori Posta Funeral Services. This is one of the cars which help people in this area in case of the burial, anything if there is a death cases. Yeah, I'm in a place called Posta. Behind me, there's a big building there called Credex Plaza. But down in it, there's a hardware, big hardware for my friend it's called Jabari Hardwares. If you are in Migori, you can come and support him. Yeah, I'm going to continue my channel, my content as I continue moving. I'm going to Masara village. Maybe today I can give you a content on Masara Center if I get time. But most of my content today will just be around my home. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to keep. Yesterday I did some work. I'm going to show you, and I hope you will enjoy. Thank you very much for always watching my channel. You are welcome again and again. Yeah, I'll continue this video. Hello, my viewers. As I told you that my video was starting from this town where I got a puncture, but I'm continuing my video here. Yeah, this is the final status of this site. No, plumbing is the final here. We have done everything. The only thing was remaining was the plumbing. But these people are doing a good job today. I think it will just get over. Let me take you to the house and see how it continues. Yeah, on my previous video, you show everything. Yeah, this house was not like this, but we are trying. We are completing it, and everything will get over. Just today, everything will be complete, and everything will be. I will inform you as the days goes. But there's something remaining on the site here. The channel where water will pass through the fence. Everything I will show you as the day proceeds. Yeah, but I hope today we are finishing everything about plumbing. Yeah, the water should come from the other side until this side. So to my viewers, I think everything will be geared over today. You have been with me. If you are new, you are really welcome to this channel. If you always watch my channel, thank you very much and may God bless you. I really welcome each and everybody who wish to support me in this channel. Karibu, karibu, karibu. Karibu means welcome, welcome, welcome. Continue watching my channel and may God bless you. I'm going to take you through the process of everything coming next week as I continue. There is some cabros which will be made in this site here, which will be completing the area there, and I will show you much about it. Thank you. Continue watching my video. Na Benja amenipotelea wapi? Wacha ishe. Mm. Here my people, you see the channel, the water there. This thing is complicated. The entire thing here is very much complicated, but everything will be okay because I have those people who have experience on this. So I'm satisfied. I know everything will be get well. Coming today evening, I'll update you on how it's gone. Yeah, I hope you have been watching my videos, but you have not come here. Or if you have watched here, you have watched it before this house was built and before I placed this metal here. So these are the metal which will be closing here, and this one, they are just two. So here is the place where carbon will be, and yeah, this is the main house. This is the laboratory house where everything will be operated. So to my viewers, just continue watching my channel to know more about leaching site. But this one is the chamber, the main house where everything will be left here. So continue watching my channel and may God bless you. Thank you very much, my viewers, for watching my channel. My video is short, but I was busy, so nothing we can do. So thank you very much for watching my content. If you are new in my channel, please, you are highly welcome. If you always watch my video, thank you very much, and may God bless you. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. May God bless you. Bye. That's my God. Tomorrow we'll have some soup here. Show you more. Hello, hello. Can you check? Can you look at the life in Africa? African life is very interesting. Yeah, my viewers, my subscribers, I was telling you the other day that where I bought these turkeys when they were young, the person didn't know the male and female, so I was given all male. So I've been promised with one of my friend. We just made friend online, and he has told me to go and look for him. We have agreed that it's going to give me female. We have agreed that it's going to give me female, and I'm going to give her one. I'm going to give her one of my. It's going to change for me the female white breed, and I'm going to give her one of my male, and it's going to borrow me the male one to give birth here. After giving birth, we divide the young ones. So that's the deal which I'm going to make on a Saturday. So soon this family will be big and our turkeys will be many in this area. Love you, my viewers. Continue watching my channel. My name is Movin Smith Kenya, born and raised in a village called Masara, the Golden City in Migori County, Kenya. I'm happy to have my birds here around. They are beautiful, though they are both male. I'm going to look for the female one. Enjoy my video. Thank you. Hello, my viewers. This is the continuity of this video. I have been busy since I came from this side, so I'm back again with another episode of my video. I want to show you how the plumber team did their work. I've been much busy to record my video. Yeah, let me show you in my hello my viewers. In my back here I'm carrying a goat. I'm carrying a goat. Yeah, the main reason why I'm carrying this goat I'm taking it to another farmer who will crossbreed it to me. There is one of the big male there. I'm going to crossbreed it. After crossbreeding, I'll be taking it back to my farm. So I want a new species from this goat here. You see, yeah, I'm taking it to one of the farmers called Samora, who will be giving me. He has a good breed there. I'm going to give him, and he's going to crossbreed it for me. It's something like 40 kilometers away from our home. Let me go. I'll take some photos when I reach there. Ng'ene manyuologa mana twins. Dasani nyithinde madongo moweyo gin mana twins. Pok onyuol achiel. Koro onego bed ka fwa olong'. Oh. Shh. Crossbreeding. Mabe maru, marateng. Mano nyiso nang'o? Koso en gi ich takelo. Oh. So I want the breed of this cat. Mata neno ni yopo. Ma. Tendo ndi ukene ga embe kane ye kucho. Dongena kane ga kuma kinyi nitie. Akela kama no maki. Onge kaka yie duong' ne. Nyathine be duong', nyathine jo cross bi manya dhi tango ne ka. Kodhi. Mwan ga tibi gini pepe go memo kade kuna weni. Tango mio kawuono kodwa. Hmm? Oh. Yeah, you see the goat I want. I want the breed of this goat here. So we want to crossbreed it with this one. Yeah, look at the mother. Hi, my subscribers. Thank you very much for coming and watching my videos. I'm really happy to see the way my videos are progressing. Yeah, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are always watching my channel, I really thank you very much. Yeah, I've taken a goat to the breed, so now just just leaving it here for some days. After leaving it here, I'm going to take it back. Thank you very much, my viewers, for always watching my channel. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. See you in the next video.